How to crop video in CapCut. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can crop your video on CapCut app. So firstly, on your device, launch the CapCut app. After that, import the video that you'd like to crop. To import a video on CapCut, you will see the new project option, or you can simply select an existing project on your CapCut. Now after you see this kind of interface on your CapCut app, select your video from the timeline. After selecting, at the very bottom panel, you will see different kind of options. Swipe on the very bottom panel and go to the option called Transform. Now inside the Transform option, you will see three more options. These three options are Mirror, which can be used to flip your video. The other one is Rotate, to rotate your video. And the last one is Resize, to crop your video. Now at the bottom you will see different kind of aspect ratio. You can select these ratio to crop your video. However, you can do it manually also if you click on the custom option. Drag the edges of the box to crop your video. After you are done cropping it, click on the tick icon at the top right corner to save your video. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.